Hi, I'm now quickly going to do the second video for you on hyperlinks. I asked you in the previous video to do a little exercise without watching this video, just to test yourself to see if you're familiar or if this training is too basic for you. Anyway, I'm going to show you now how to do that little exercise. But just before I do, I'm going to show you something now. I've inserted a little call to action. I want people to email me after they've read that if they need any more help. So I've typed my email address. I've highlighted that text. I click on the link icon, and where it says link type, I select email. Type in my email address, francois@quickwap.co.za. The message says I need help with a video. Please show me how to do. Okay, so you can click, you can email me, and I'll show you now when I'm done. You can ask me to show you anything. If you've paid me $2,500, I'm willing to spend time training you. Anyway, so that is inserting an email hyperlink. Let me just add this page. I've added this page. I'm going to publish. I'm going to go back to my home page. On my home page, I'm going to put in another call to action. I'm going to say contact us today. You can do this with fancy graphics. Let me give you an example. I open my own website, buddywebdesign.co.za, and there you'll see there's a call to an action. You can read up on it, but if someone clicks here, they'll be taken to my request a quote page. But here the people can see what's the benefit. If you need a quote, if you click here, I will contact you now. So there's a hyperlink on that image. I will do a video just now to show you how to do a hyperlink on an image. Back to the exercise. There's contact us today. I highlight those words. I go to, for example, my contact us page. I copy the URL. It stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Each page on your website has its unique URL. So I've highlighted that text. I press Ctrl C, and now go back to my home page. The text is highlighted. I click on link. I paste Ctrl V. I target. In this case, I'm going to say same window. So it's going to close the current window, and it's going to open the contact us page on my website. So it's important to have these little call to actions on your website. You can do it with images as well. So discuss that with your graphic designer or your web designer, which I hope is me. Let's say I'm gonna insert a little image of myself. This looks cute. I'm gonna click on the image. On the online training program, you can find my bio. So I'm going to highlight that. Control C. I highlight that URL. I'm on the image. I click a link. Control B, I paste. So in this case, target, new window. I say OK. That's a little call to action. It's going to say meet our trainers. Click on image to learn more about let's say more about our trainers, keeping the option open for other people to join me willing to be tutors. Maybe that's a job for you. I'm going to update my homepage, publish all the changes. I go back to my website, I click on the home page. There at the bottom, there's the link. If I click on that, it closes the current window and took me to the contact details. Let me just go back one step. If I click on the image, it takes me, it opened a new tab. It didn't close this page. It opens a new tab, and there's my long yada yada story. Okay, that's how you work with hyperlinks. Hyperlinks on text. We covered hyperlinks to an email. We covered hyperlinks on images. You're now well on your way to become your own webmaster. I'll post some links to good articles on the subject of having a good call to an action. So that involves a bit of graphics. But there's good resources on the internet, so I'll just point you to that. There's no need for me to try and beat what's already available. Just a good SEO tip when you're thinking of creating a website, adding information. Try and do something new. Try and do something that will add value. If the information is already out there, don't go and repeat what's already been done. Google and other search engines, they don't like duplicate text. That's your lesson for you today, and a little bit of SEO mixed into it.